Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best Apple AirPods and AirPods Pro cases of 2020. From a cool clear pick to a fully waterproof option to a high-end offering made from genuine carbon fiber, we've rounded up 5 of our favorite AirPods cases to protect your trusty wireless earbuds. 5. Elago Ice Cream AirPods Case. This affordable AirPods case by Elago is, by far, the cutest on this list, because it will transform the buds into an ice cream bar. The accessory has colorful 3D sprinkles, a faux stick, and a handy keychain ring. It offers superb protection against scratches and drops, and it's compatible with wireless chargers. 4. Catalyst Waterproof Case for Apple AirPods Pro. This case by Catalyst significantly levels up the protection. According to the brand, it can protect your AirPods against drops of up to 4 feet. And thanks to a clever sealing with an IP67 rating, the case is also waterproof up to 3.3 feet. It comes bundled with a carabiner, so you can attach it to a bag or a jacket. 3. Speck Presidio Pro Case for AirPods Pro. Just like the brand's smartphone covers, the Speck Presidio Pro Case for Apple AirPods Pro has an antimicrobial microban coating that will eliminate up to 99% of bacteria on the accessory's surface. You can also get a version of the case for the regular AirPods. The Presidio Pro Case has a hard outer shell and a softer interior, which combine to offer top-tier protection against drops. 2. Incase Clear Case for Apple AirPods. If you are looking to protect and showcase your AirPods, this clear Incase offering is your best option. It's made from durable polycarbonate, so it offers dependable protection against scratches and light drops. The impressively thin accessory is compatible with wireless charging, and a variant for the AirPods Pro is also available. 1. VRS Design Modern Case for Apple AirPods. The VRS Design Modern Case is our favorite option for protecting AirPods on the cheap. It offers a surprisingly elegant design, a slim fit, and solid protection against scratches and drops. The accessory can charge wirelessly, and it comes with a leather carrying strap. VRS offers a modern case for the AirPods Pro as well.